How to restore Facebook Messenger chat without a PIN. So first of all, you need to open your Chrome browser on your mobile phone. After opening the browser, what do you need to do next? Here, you see three dots in the top right corner. You need to click on them. Then from here, you need to enable the desktop site. As soon as you enable it, you need to search for Facebook here and go to the Facebook site. After opening it, you need to log into your account here. After logging into your account, you will see that the messenger icon is available here. You need to click on it. As soon as you click on it, all your chats will appear here. You can access your chat without any PIN from here. There is no need to add any PIN. You just need to open your chat from here and you can view and read it. If you have forgotten the chat PIN, you can access it this way. So this was today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, subscribe to our channel and be sure to press the bell icon.